Hi everyone, this is CMA Pradeep Dhani and welcome to a new video. So guys, in this video, we will discuss about, you can say that the journey of CMA Rohit Gupta after the, you can say that the experiences of campus placement, you can say that how he get the job opportunity on campus or off campus. So we'll discuss about. And if you did not watch the, you can say that we have already taken a session with CMA Rohit Gupta during his all whole journey from foundation to till final. So if you yet did not watch this, watch you from the playlist, you can see. But in this video, we'll discuss about all the journey of CMA Rohit Gupta during his, you can say that on campus or off campus. So first of all, you can say that congratulations Rohit Gupta and hi Rohit Gupta, how are you?
Thank you. Hi, Pradeep. This is Rohit. And thanks a lot for congratulate me. And yes, so let's start.
Okay, Rohit. First of all, me and my all audience want to know about. You can say that all the campus experiences. What you want to give and some suggestion to CMA student and all about your campus experience journey on campus experience journey.
Hi, Pradeep. Actually, as you know, as compared to last to last year, there are lots of students who cleared the CMA final. So, and as per the institute, doing all the very good project for their candidates. In that time, they do lots of campus placements in the current December 2020 attempt. I think more than 460 students are already hired by the different big companies, and the institute doing well. So in my perceptions, I think in March when the result is out, and there is one mistake done by me. I left the job at that time, as my result is out, and I got passed in CMA final. So there is one mistake, but I never lose my hope that campus is not that I am not selected in campus. So as compared to my all last 3 months and 4 months, so I sometimes I think that the campus is only for the students who got highest marks, or doing all the attempts, all the exam in one attempt. But not this is not the reality. In the second phase, I got selected in the Consero Private Limited, as well as I also try outside from the off campus also, because there are lots of students. More than 2,500 students are applied for the campus, and Pradeep, this is not possible that all 2,500 students are selected in the campus. So it's my view, the concept is you apply in the campus, as well as you also apply in the outside, or called off campus. So this is my journey. I applied outside campus also, and in the in campus also, and I got selected in both of the my situation, in off campus and as well as on campus.
Okay,
So yeah.
what will your organization off campus and finally what organization you chosen on campus organization or off campus?
Pradeep, um, I applied more than 250 companies in off campus, more than 215 companies. I sent mails and applied by Naukri.com or LinkedIn. But suddenly I got a call from CGI by the off campus, and they planned some interview date, and I gave my interview, and there are more than 3 rounds. So one by one, I cleared all the round in the interview, and suddenly when I cleared the CGI off campus, so suddenly also got a mail from the campus placement also, from the Consero Private Limited. So I not suddenly take a decision that I go for the CGI only. I make some plan that I also give an interview for the campus, for the Consero Limited, and I just uh, hold down my offer letter of the CGI. Actually, in that time, a company not released my offer letter, but I got selected. This is informed by the CGI team that you are selected, and you got your offer letter as soon as possible. So in the meantime, I got a mail from the Cancero Private Limited, and I give an interview. There are I think uh, as all the things, I think there are 9 rounds. No,
Oh,
9
9 rounds.
different things are they are asking me. There are some mail tests, there are some aptitude tests, there are some uh, accounting tests, and there are more than 3 rounds of interview by face to face and one telephonic interview. After this, they will take Excel round, and there are I think there are 9 round in the Cancero, 8 or 9 round in the Cancero Private Limited, and I also got selected in the Cancero Private Limited.
Okay.
So the situation is that in the CGI, I got my CTC as per my expectation. So when I got my expectation, and suddenly Cancero asked me what is your expectation, then I just put some extra amount, and asked to the Cancero that I will demand this. So they select me, and and suddenly after 2 or 3 days, the institute Kolkata, I think so Kolkata members call me that Rohit, you are selected in the campus in the Cancero Private Limited. Are you interested or not? So uh, actually, this time is very critical for me, that in which company I have to choose, either for the CGI or in the Cancero Private Limited. So uh, in that time, I compared both the companies, growth of both the companies, and what is my career opportunities in both the company, what is my profile in both the companies. I compared all of these things, my package. In the Cancero Private Limited, they will provide me a more package as in the CGI. But when I got a review from the Google or from somewhere, and some my friends who work in different organizations, so they called me to join CGI. Either they give me I think around less than 1 lakh rupees, but it will okay, because the CGI is very big company, and I think more than 76,000 employees are worked in the company, and company have different branches in more than across 55 countries. So I just confused, because Cancero give me an more package, but CGI give me an more opportunities to grow, because in the CGI my profile is very good, because in the CGI I have to work with balance sheet reconciliation, and there are some SOX testing. But in the Cancero Private Limited, I have to do the same things as I have done in the earlier 2 year or 3 year, like bills process, or GST filing, and which I already done in the last 2 or 3 years. So that's why I choose CGI, because CGI, I think, after completing CMA, you have to do some more effort, and you have to learn more things. If you doing the same thing as you earlier done, so it will not good for me. So that's why I choose CGI.
Okay, so from Rohit Gupta journey, in a concluding manner, I want to convey to my audience. In the early phase of campus placement, Rohit Gupta could not get placed. Okay, guys. So along with campus placement, Rohit Gupta is also searching off campus, and fortunately, he got one offer from the CGI, and side by side, he also got an offer from on campus. You can say from Cancero, and Cancero is offering, you can say, more than amount to CGI, but Rohit Gupta, you can say that asked to his friends about the out of the available two options, which option he need to choose. But they are friends, and you can say that he also searched on Google, or you can say that on the other search engines. So finally, Rohit Gupta decided to go with the CGI. Every candidate need to see his perspective in the. You can say that every candidate need to think or see the long term growth. Okay, so CGI is a big organization as compared comparison to Kanzero, and yes, finally you can say that Rohit Gupta chosen the CGI. And now, me and my audience question: if it is possible from Rohit Gupta's side, if he want to us to, you can say that share the package offered by CGI or Kanzero. So, if it is possible from Rohit Gupta's side.
Uh, Pradeep, I think I declare, but I think there are some companies
Okay.
uh, actually there are some companies agreement that do not disclose the offer. But as a friend of you and as a uh, mentor of the other students or who clear in the next round, so I just called him that make your plan, and you have very comfort with asking your salary, because if you ask less, then you get less. I decide before the campus and before I got selected in CJ, what is my mind, what is my expectation, what I actually want to demand. So my demand is fixed, that I take this amount only, and below this I will not accept the offer. Before CGI got select me, and I demand my package, whatever the package is. Do not disclose, because there are some companies regulations, do not disclose your package. So whatever the package, but I fixed my package, what I want to demand. I expect before my interview. I expect before my. It
We,
happens sometimes. I think, Pradeep, there is one more interesting thing. I also got placed in the Jubilant Foodworks Limited
okay,
in that time.
okay.
Jubilant Foodworks Limited, and they are giving me around 41,000 per month salary. 41,000 per month salary, but I denied, because I think because I have already worked in the Jubilant Foodworks Limited in last 2 years, uh, from 2017 to 19, and so that's why they call me again to come here to and join the company. But because CGI gives me more, and Cancero gives me one more
No
thing,
more than.
one more amount, so uh, I just
So you are
denied,
confused
because
about what to
and
choose, what
Pradeep,
option you need to choose.
in that situation,
You also got
yeah,
confused what option
actually
you need to
Pradeep,
choose.
when Jubilant offered, yeah, actually Pradeep, in that time I got selected in CGI, but not received my offer letter. And I think CGI gives me an offer letter in around 15 days. So in that 15 days, I got selected in the Jubilant Foodworks Limited, and they offer me to join immediately. And but I'm very confused, that because CGI gives me more, because they will tell me that you are selected, and they are never discussed to decrease my salary. Whatever I expect from him, they are calling just it's okay, Rohit, it's okay. And Jubilant gives me only 41,000 per month, around 5 lakh package. So I just denied to join Jubilant, because there are some expectation, and I think before that, below this expectation, I never worked, because after clearing CMA, you have some demand, because you are not the BCom qualified. Now you are a professional, and you have some your expectation. I think so. So think that expectation, and demanding salary is an art. If you want this amount, then it's okay. You want this only. Never down your performance, never down your salary. If you think, yes, I want this amount.
Okay, so in a concluding manner, I can also suggest to my guys that Rohit Gupta is not directly declaring his package, but we can expect that 41 he is offering in, he's receiving in Jubilant more than in CJ and more than in, you can say that, the Cancero. So we can expect in our mind that yes, he is receiving a good amount of package. So Rohit, one of my question is that suppose A and B is a student who has recently qualified CMA examination. What will be you suggest to next step? Whether he should only focus on campus, or along with on campus he should also search in off campus also. So what will be a suggestion for a recently qualified CMA who is taking participation in campus placement?
Pradeep, this is very good question. Actually, uh, as compared to me, I cleared my CMA in very taking too much time. I think around 7 years I take to clear my CMA. In the whole journey, there are some failures for me also. But I think many students who cleared in one attempt also, but also they are not selected by the campus, because the criteria to select in the campus is very different. They are not looking only the candidate who cleared only in one attempt. There are many people who are clearing in one attempt. So this is not only the reason, and also there are some also reason. If you are selected, in this campus, I think there are more than 4 or 5 students. They are selected in 6 to 7 companies, and as I know my Consero experience, if I decline to accept the offer of Consero, then institute call me. Then if you decline the acceptance offer letter of the Consero, then you will never call back from any other institutes or other any other companies. So after selected in one company and I denied to join that company, then the campus just blacklist to me. So there are many students who are selected in 7 to 8 companies. So in that case, I assume that they are not selected in the 8 company or 7 companies. That after they also shortlist in the another company. So only shortlist by the company is not the key to join the company. You have to give your best in the interview, then after only you get the job. And this is the part of campus, but I think you have to apply in campus and as well as off campus also, because there is a never 100% chance. Either you may clear in one attempt all the round, and this is not the guarantee that you have been selected in the campus. You also have to apply in other companies in the off campus. There are various companies who are not coming in the campus, but they are offering job. They are some in the naukri.com, or so Pradeep, there is one more thing. I think you know colleagues, your friend circle is very important to searching job. If you have do, you if you don't have any friend, then you have very difficulty to face to search the job in off campus, because if you have more friend circle, then they will provide you the more opportunities to join. In case of CGI, I also get a mail from my other friend. They are no, they are just nominate me that Rohit, you just send the mail to the person and I talk to him. So I think your friend circle is also very important to search the job. So make your friends
I
very
want to convey a quote here. Network build your network. There is a quote that network build your
yes,
network. We have to build our
yes,
network.
yes. Absolutely right. Absolutely right, Pradeep.
Rohit, one of my
So
question is that as per your observation during your campus placement journey, how you feel that number of attempt or you can say age or English communication, these three aspects matter in campus placement or not, or also in off campus also. Number of attempt, age or English communication, or practical
Pradeep,
experience
as you
also.
know, yes, yes, Pradeep, as you know, as we are talking on the Zoom, my English is not very good, not very good, but this is good to talk and communicate with any other person, and I understand what the other people say, and I just reply on that code. But attempt is very matter, because in the campus they are searching only the person who are cleared only in one attempt. Most of the companies, either they are offering very less amount, but their demand is very high. They are demanding that you clear all your journey in one attempt, and as well as your academic is very good. So any attempt is very matter. Attempt is very matter to in the campus placement. And the other is communication. As you know, I told you communication is matter, but sometimes your technical experience is uh, very good key to join the company, because in both the companies, in the Consero and in the CGI, and as well as in the Jubilant Foodworks Limited, my English is not very good. I know my English is not very good, but I know what I learned in the previous 2 or 3 years in my experience, and what is my knowledge. That's better, because in all the 2 or 3 companies, they are asking so many questions, like technical questions, and I replied all the questions. So technical round, first of all, I think there are technical rounds. So you have to clear your technical round. Then only after you go to your managerial round, and then HR round. So if you are not good in in your knowledge and your technical experiences, then I think only English is not. You are clearing CMA and you're speaking very well. This is not only a good key to join the company, because you have some knowledge also, because company demanding experience. And for yes, if you are not experienced, the company in the campus is it is matter to join as a fresher, but in the off campus they all are demanding experiences. They are never join any candidate who have no experiences. And they feel very typically, problem how I get a job for the fresher in the off campus. And they are not offering an amount very well also. They are offering around 4 lakh 3 lakh only for the fresher students, for the fresher candidates.
Okay, one of my question is that suppose any student, any qualified CMA could not get placed in on campus. So what will be next strategy for him? And what he need to show if he is taking too much time in searching in off campus? So what will you suggest here?
Actually, Pradeep, I think hope is very important, because you never lose your hope. If you are doing continuously, if you are giving your effort to searching the job, then there are some time you get the job. But if you lose your hope, then you not search for the job. And if you don't search for the job, then you never get the job, so the hope is very important. I also, I told you, I've applied for more than 250 companies in off campus. I daily applied 10 to 15 jobs by the mail, by the Naukri.com, or by the LinkedIn. No, but if you applied more than, and I got only, Pradeep, I got only 4 to 5 companies call all over the 250 application. I got only 4 to 5 companies call. And most, there are 2 or 3 companies are offering only me around 4 lakh rupees. And I just denied it, because they, in my mind, there are some expectation which is fixed before I applied any job. And I'm searching only those jobs in which in which there is high packages, because I already worked in that package amount when I have qualified my BCom only. Then if I qualified CMA, there are some dignity of the course also. So if you qualified your CMA, then you have, your demand is some high, have to, should be high, should be very high.
Okay, one last message you want to convey to any CMA student who are in the stage of foundation, inter, or final. What they need to deliver their best at their respective stages.
This is very important for me also, and for the students, and for the student who are appearing in the inter, final, or foundation. I just told the whole students circle that, please, when you are doing your exam, when you are doing your study, go for the study, and just clear your all the syllabus in one attempt. Never think that, no, you just drop this attempt and take the another attempt, because in that time when you are appearing, that attempt is not matter. But after qualification, after when you qualified, and no one campus and no one companies are selected in the campus, then you feel your attempt is very matter. Because if you think that thing on the time of study, then you got selected in the campus also. Because in the campus, attempt is very matter attempt. Because most of the companies are selected only those students who are clearing all the CMA exams in one attempt. So do the study, and in your experience time, there are some that internship. So you have to do your internship, because internship very matter in the campus. If you do your internship and you are complete your whole 3 year internship or 2 year internship in the good company, then also companies check these internship companies and internship period also, and what are you doing, what you have been done in your internship. This is a matter for the campus, I think so.
So Rohit, you have given all the answers in a clear-cut manner, or you can say that you can say that every understandable manner. So Rohit, first of all, from my side and my, you can say viewers, first of all, congratulations to you for your new journey, and hoping that soon you will become manager, senior manager, or even the controller. And yes, we also take a, you can say that the interview again. So thank you so
Thank you,
much,
Pradeep.
Rohit,
Thanks a
from
lot.
my side and my your side.
Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you.
Once again, welcome for and best of luck for your new journey.
Thank you, Pradeep.
Bye, Rohit.